When it comes to the things you can do with baking soda, the list is quite endless. From being used as a cooking ingredient to a good cleaning solution, it is no doubt why many people speak highly of it. But if what you have planned is a drawing salve recipe with baking soda, you want to know exactly how to whip one. There are many ways you stand to benefit from a traditional drawing salve using homemade ingredients, and you can be sure to find baking soda an essential addition. But before I share with you how I use baking soda to treat boils and injuries at home, let's first talk about the medicinal benefits of baking soda. The health benefits of baking soda. As mentioned earlier, you can find it useful in many ways than to be included in a cooking mix. Some of the ways you can find baking soda to be useful for therapy include: helps in the treatment of heartburn. It can be used as an organic mouthwash. It could be used as a natural teeth whitener. Works as a natural deodorant. Useful in relieving itching skin and sunburn. It can be used as a natural air freshener. Could help with dirty laundries and dishes. When it comes to the many things you could do with baking soda, you may want to put it to the test. But if your interest is in using it for skin therapy as a drawing salve, you can find out exactly how in the sections below. What is drawing salve? Drawing salves are usually herbal pastes prepared to be slightly corrosive. This way, they can draw out foreign substances from the body, such as boils and infections. While you can choose to buy any of the branded salves you'd find in the store or online, you could choose to make yours using simple home ingredients. There are many different recipe options available for a drawing salve. But the best ones are effective in getting foreign objects, such as thorns, out of the skin. You want to know how to apply and massage into the skin, but first, let's learn how to use baking soda in a drawing salve. Drawing salve recipe with baking soda. When it comes to using baking soda in a drawing salve, you want to be particular about using the best quality. This preparation works better in removing splinters from the skin. It could also be a safe treatment for a boil and prevent infection on an injury. To make the preparation, you only need baking soda and a few drops of water. Mix both ingredients until it forms a paste and applies to the affected site. You may have to cover with a Band-Aid for up to 24 hours for the preparation to work. By this time, the splinter should be extracted onto the skin. You may have to repeat the treatment if the splinter still doesn't come out. Reapply the preparation on the site and cover for another 24 hours. It may be best to check with a physician if the splinter still doesn't get out after several trials. Drawing salve versus baking soda mix. When compared against the original black salve, you will find that the baking soda preparation does pack a hefty punch. But the difference is the black salve usually is corrosive to the skin, but you won't suffer many complications with a baking soda mix. If you are not sure a drawing salve would be a good idea for you or your kid's skin, there are other ways to get out a splinter. You could try the sticky tape methods for a short splinter close to the skin surface. Ensure to use sticky paper tape and pull in the opposite direction of the point of entry of the splinter. This should be able to get it out safely. You will also find the use of baking soda to be a cheaper option compared to a black salve. This is because you won't have to spend a few dollars on a fancy concoction you can whip up yourself. If you think baking soda may not be an effective treatment for you, there are other treatment options for skin infections. You want to consider using products that do not contain any toxic chemicals. That's if you choose to use a branded product on your skin. Final note. If you are dealing with a splinter in the skin, you could be uncomfortable until it is removed. And when it comes to effective treatment options available, you want to consider baking soda and water. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.